Today I'm going to show you how to allow Microsoft Teams to always run in the background on Windows 11. This can be useful if you want to make sure you never miss messages or calls even when the app isn't open on your screen. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. In the search box, type Teams to quickly find Microsoft Teams. Next, click the three dots next to Microsoft Teams and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to Background App Permissions. Here you can choose between Power Optimized, Always or Never. Selecting Always ensures that Microsoft Teams can continue running in the background so you receive notifications and updates at all times. The Power Optimized option allows Windows to manage background activity to help conserve battery life. I'm going to select Always. And that's it, all done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.